Hi, this is Swapna from thehealthsite.com and I'm with Chef Ranveer Brar. So, we're very, very happy and excited to have him here. And we have a rapid fire for you, Chef.
क्या बात है? The happiness is all mine. पहले let's share the happiness first. So the happiness is all mine.
Thank
I
you.
am very, very, very happy to be here.
Great.
Yeah, this should be a lot of fun.
Yeah. So, first up, as you see, Chef is really fit. So, we're going to ask him what is his 1 minute fitness mantra. So, if you're tired, if you're like really feeling down, what is it that you do which can help you revive yourself in just a minute?
1 glass of lassi.
Spoken like the true Punjabi lad.
Spoken like a true Punjabi, but also I think closing your eyes and really I think closing your eyes and really focusing on that one thing that's always fascinated you. Like for me, green fields have always fascinated me.
What?
So
Lovely.
if ever I want to put things in perspective, I close my eyes and look at the green fields.
Awesome. That's lovely, lovely. Okay, now a very cliched question after that. What is your personal favorite khana, your recipe, favorite recipe?
देखिए पंजाबी में एक कहावत है दाल रोटी कर दी दिवाली अंबर सर्दी मतलब घर की दाल रोटी जो है वो बड़े बड़े शहर की दिवाली से बेहतर है फॉर मी इट इज खिचड़ी
Nice.
विद
lovely,
लॉट्स ऑफ
yeah.
देसी घी और येलो वाला गाय का देसी घी
Okay,
और पापड़ अचार
okay.
और अगर साथ में लस्सी का ग्लास मिल जाए तो बात ही
Okay, great, awesome. Okay, now since we're the health site and all that, when we go out, that's when most of us eat the most unhealthy food, right? So, what is the top thing that you feel should be completely banned from all restaurant menus everywhere? Like all most unhealthy thing according to you?
Okay, so we'll start from the start. I think it is not true that eating out means unhealthy eating. All right.
Okay.
I think that's something that we have to kind of take it out of our perspective because when we eat out, we indulge, and that is what causes unhealthiness. Indulgence is the cause, not eating out.
Okay, not that. Noted, chef.
So I always tell women especially, boss, when you go and eat out chaat, you can stop at one tikki. It's not the fault of the chaat wala or the chaat. You gotta stop, right?
Stop, hold it right there,
But yeah, so but on a serious note, I think frozen food is something that I would
Okay.
take out of the window.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we
Like your burger patty, frozen parathas.
Yes.
Okay.
I think processing and freezing adds a lot of unnecessary elements to food.
Right.
पंजाबी में कहावत है कि देखिए शक्कर से गुड़ अच्छी, गुड़ से गन्ने का जूस अच्छा और गन्ने के रस से गन्ना अच्छा. So the more you process, the more you freeze, the more you take away from the originality of the food. So yeah, I'd put frozen food on that bucket list right on top.
Okay, awesome. What about at home? What is the one thing that people, when they're eating at home, should avoid doing with their khana, or the thing that they should give up? Anything that you have personally given up, and you would recommend that all the Desi people, all the Indians out there, give it up.
Like I always say, there's nothing in particular that you need to give up. Only thing that you need to give up is indulgence. Indulgence and extravagance is something that we need to give up in our eating habits. We got to eat everything but eat less. Good health for me and well-being is not about excluding. It's about including. It's about allowing everything in, but in moderation.
Okay. We'll try to follow that, And last up, our last question in this rapid fire is something that most of the women watching this want to know. They've been writing into us already to, know about this. How do we get into MasterChef? What is it that the chefs like yourself are looking out for?
One and only one thing. Acha khana, good food.
Okay.
This was rapid fire. All the others I answered in like 5 minutes each, but this is pure
This is
rapid
one thing
fire.
though everybody hopes you would have elaborated and said ye recipe nahi wo recipe. But yeah, thank you so much.
Good food.
Yeah, thank you so much, Chef. Thanks a lot for being here. Thank you.
Thank you. Always a pleasure.
And if you like this interview, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and keep watching our channel. And thank you for watching this interview.
Oh yeah, by the way, now that we're still rolling, I can see that light on the camera. Let me just put in here as well that for a lot of healthy cooking, I'm coming up with my book.
Okay.
It's called Come Cook With Me.
Great. Awesome.
Yeah, so it's all there on Amazon. Pre-order. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Do it like right now.
Right now. Also hit like, also comment, you know, if you like the, you know, awesome chef that we have here, please hit like and don't forget to comment. Bye.
Take care. Acha khana. Good food.
Okay.
This was rapid fire. All the others I answered in like 5 minutes each, but this is